Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for you. In this video, we are going to learn some view options like normal view, page break view, page layout view, zoom, freeze spans and switch windows. So friends, if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel Arun Reddy Tech for you. Coming to Excel, at the bottom of the worksheet, you can see a status bar and right side of the status bar, you can see different views like page break view, page layout view and normal view. We can also see a zoom slider which will help us in zoom in and zoom out. Nice, right? And in the view tab we can find the similar options like normal view, page break view and page layout view. So let us see the difference between normal view, page break view and page layout view. Coming to the normal view, it's a by default view and where spreadsheets are spread all over. Coming to the page break view, it will give us a clear idea of pages. For example, page 1. You can see the 25 till the cell number 25, you can see all come under the page 1. And next again, you can see till the column, you can see the row cell number 50, it will come under the page 2. And if you want to set the page, you can also do it. For example, if I want till 30, so I will just drag till 30. The same way I will go to the next page and I will drag till 60. Here we are. Nice, right? And coming to the next view, page layout view. And page layout view will help us in adding header and footer. For example, if I want to add some footer like page number, I will zoom it so you can see clearly. Okay, here we are. Page number, semicolon, and I will include a page number here. And you can see automatically it will display the page number. And I can also add a sheet name. And if I click, you can see the student detail. I can also add a header like student list. Student list. I will just select this one and I will just increase the size to 14 and make it bold. And this header and footer will automatically appear in every page. So let us see. So you can see a student list. This is the first page. Here page number 1, student details. Coming to second page, again you can see student list. Below page number 2, student details. Again student list. Page number 3, student details. Nice, right? Now let us come back to normal view. And you can see options like formula bar, heading and grid lines. Suppose you want to free some space, you don't want a formula bar to be appear on the screen, so you can deselect formula bar. Here we are, it's gone. Again if you select, it will be appeared. And if you don't want headers like column heading A B C D and row heading 1 2 3 4, you can just deselect the heading. Here we are, they have vanished. If I click on, again it appears. Nice, right? And you have an option like switch window. This will help us to move to one workbook to another workbook. Present I am in sample 3. Now I want to move to sample 2. If I select sample 2, here we are. Now I am in sample 2 workbook. Now let us see a special option called freeze span. Suppose if you are scrolling down the list, you can see the marks but you don't know which subject marks these are because it doesn't shows the heading, right? and if I scroll to the right side, I can see the total, but I don't know which student's total it is. To solve this kind of problems, we use a free span. So free span, what it will do, I will select a cell where the above row and left side column will be freezed. So I'm going to select this cell and going to the free span and select free span. Here we are. Now if I scroll down, you can see the all the list of the marks, and I can also see the heading is freezed. So I can scroll and I can see the marks of each student, and I can recognize which subject it is. And the same way, if I move to the right side, and now I can see the total and which student's total it is. Nice, right? So keep practicing. Thank you.